Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. That meal export sales were up 24% from a year ago, giving the market a little bit of support. Also, the soybean oil stocks were down significantly from last year as well. That's one more thing kind of adding to the support here. Futures were up 14 and a half cents to 11.65 and three quarters at one point before pulling back a little bit, but still looking strong today. Option open interest added 1,400 calls and just 500 on the put side, but it continues to move higher as the migration has moved over from March expiration just a week and a half ago. CVOL is at 19% with the soybean oil 25.7 and the meal at 22%. Corn also firmed up that shipments are up 34% from a year ago, and possibly the lowering of the ending stocks estimate that would come Friday for the report. So that's something that we're going to wait and see if that's going to add more support to corn market. Futures today were up at 1.8 and three quarter cents. We got up to 433 and a half. The option open interest added 1,400 calls and 1,000 to the puts, continuing to build on what's already there. Right now, there's 146,000 open interest on the call side to 136,000 on the put side. CVOL for corn is at 33.6%. Today, wheat rebounded. There's some technical buying after it did hit a new low this morning. Futures started out etching out just a one-tick low down to 553, but found a little bit of support. Perhaps it's a little bit of overflow buying from that corn and bean market right now, but still there is a bearish tone across soybeans, but it's not really pushing it lower, and it just seems to be building some support or some value here at these lower levels. And what's happening is the market just continues to be choppy and move sideways. Option open interest did add 2,700 to the call side and 2,900 to the put side. So that's an awful lot compared to where we've been really for the last week or so. The CVOL right now is at 30.4%. So now we're going to be looking for the rest of the week to see any posturing before the USDA report comes on Friday.